everyone, it's Anna here at ThisIs, and I have an adorable swag kit for you today. If you are a Halloween lover but you don't want to decorate your whole house, you just want a little pop of it on your front door, this is the swag kit for you. I have done a harvest candy corn mix here. It's got this really pretty sunflower gourd stem in it that's got all your regular traditional fall colors in it. Hang on, let me get them entangled here. But I'm gonna pair this fun spiral candy corn stem with it, and then look how cute this is. It's like a little stuffed candy corn. And then we're gonna put some orange and yellow and white ribbon with it. I like this just because if you don't wanna, you don't like glitter, or you don't like a really traditional Halloween look, how fun would that be to twist onto a pre-made wreath? I've got it on a boxwood right now, just for Halloween, and then take it off. It's so simple. All you have to do is lay those 3 stems on top of each other like I just did. And then you're gonna take a little bit of time to kind of fluff and move everything around. You just wanna make it look like they all kind of go together. So move a candy corn slightly over, bring some leaves down in between that candy corn. Look how simple that was. We're just gonna tie a bow on this with some with a little wired ribbon and a wire, and we're gonna be done. It's so cute. So first up, I'm gonna hold that where I want them, chop all these stems off, and that bow is gonna hide these. All right, I'm gonna set them over here, and then I'm gonna tie my fun little bow. I've got a orange and white gingham check. I'm just gonna do a couple loops of that. And that's out of the 2.5-inch ribbon, so it's a little bit bolder. So then the next one, we've got so fun. It's like a candy corn. It has all the colors of the stems in it, but look how fun that is. And we're gonna do 3 loops of this one. So cute. All right, one more. Now just take your wire, tie right where your hand is. And then right underneath that sunflower, just kind of go up and under there. Make sure you get all 3 stems and twist it together. Then once you do that, twist it onto your wreath. Again, I've used the boxwood. This one is still up on the website. It's the tea leaf boxwood. You could easily do this though on a grapevine if you have a plain grapevine. Maybe you have a pre-made fall wreath. How fun would it be just to like put it on a wreath that has a bunch of leaves? Or, you could, this is a little bit bigger, but you could definitely do like a lantern or a flagpole. Okay, now that the ribbon's on there, you just want to, again, take a little bit of time and bring all those stems back forward that you kind of covered up. Like these fun little spirals need to come back to the front. I know there's a white one somewhere. There it is. Okay. I'm going to bring this yellow one like down here, right in the middle of that bow. So fun. Look how cute and easy that was. Cut those tails. And then I'm going to bring this candy corn kind of forward too, because that's really the star of the show there. Okay. Super cute, super easy project. How fast with that? You could easily make this, give it as a gift to yourself or to a friend. Let them twist it onto anything they have in their home and decorate a little bit for Halloween. Head on over to shopthislouisville.com to get yourself one of these candy corn swag kits.